Nothing is more frustrating than when you are doing a job that you're not passionate about, and at the end of the day, they are paying you peanuts. You must have come across a lot of people talking about how they are doing a job that they really love, and then they are working from home making $1,000 plus, and you envy them. You are human, it's common, right? And you are like, everybody's posting about their wins, and you have nothing to share. Rather, you are busy doing a job that you don't like, and you're not even getting paid enough for getting that frustrated. If this sounds like you, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to be talking about how to make good amount of money as a social media manager, and the services you need to render to be able to achieve that. So make sure to watch this video to the very end so that you can be able to get all the valid information I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, you will need to do that, because you need to be notified whenever I have made a new post that you are going to also find very helpful. Now, let's quickly dive in. The first services you have to render as a social media manager that will make you a good amount of money is to offer social media management services. Yes, I know this sounds really common, right? But that is the first service that will make you a good amount of money, because you can't be a social media manager without rendering a social media management services. And what does this social media management services include? It basically includes managing a social media page for a brand that you're working with, creating content, scheduling, engaging, interacting with their audience, and attracting the right audience for that brand. So if you want to learn more on this topic, you have to check out my previous video. So the second services you will need to offer to make you a good amount of money is creating content and also content writing. Basically, content creation has been a very big way people are making money. I don't know if you have heard about UGC. There's something called user generated content. There are a lot of people creating user generated content that brands are paying for. Basically, what they do is that they make a video talking about or describing the product of the brand or whatever the brand is doing. Those brands find them and they pay for it. So user generated content is a very big way to make money now. If you go and research it, you are going to see that the flat rate that they're earning is nothing less than $100 and above. Yes, I'm not even joking with you. And again, when I'm talking about content creation, it just does not end at UGC, user generated content. It also includes content writing and content creation basically, because content creation, you must not be making videos. Let's say you're not good at creating video content and you're good at content writing, you can basically make you a lot of money, because every day, if you check on social media now, everyone needs to create content. Every business needs to create content, because that content is what they will use to attract the customers they're looking for. So people that have this good skill, people that know how to create content, people that know how to write content are making good amount of money right now. So this is even a different offer as a social media manager, because there is no way you will be a social media manager you don't know how to create content. So if you're already a social media manager and you're not making money writing content or creating content, jokes on you, you have to step up your game. So content creation is another wonderful way to make yourself a good amount of money. The third way to make money as a social media manager is to run social media ad campaigns for brands. If you check online right now, everyone is basically running ads. The reason why is because for you to get more eyeballs on your brand, for you to get people to see you, you need to run social media ads. So every business out there is running ads, and for them to be able to succeed in running ads, they need people that have the skill to run the social media ads, because basically not everyone can do that. It's not just about clicking promote. No, you have to be strategic about it, and that is where social media managers come in, because as a social media manager, there is no way you're not going to have the skill of knowing how to run ads. And when you have this skill, you can be able to be offering it differently and be making yourself a whole lot of money. Basically, that was like a week ago. Someone reached out to me asking me I should help him to run a social media ad. This is a personal brand, right? But the person have been trying to run this ad for basically how long, and it was not working out. And why is it not working out? He does not have the skill. That is why he had to come to me as a social media manager, and I was able to make myself a quick buzz that I didn't even struggle for because I have the skill, and I went ahead and ran this ad for him, and everything went according to plan and I was paid. So this could be you as well. If you are a social media manager and you have the skill, you can make yourself a good amount of money without even sweating over it. The fourth way you can make yourself good amount of money as a social media manager is to render social media audits. I mean, you can be able to like audit people's social media. What do I mean by auditing people's social media? Like basically everyone has a social media page, but not everyone knows what they are doing right or wrong. So as a social media manager, when you look at anyone's social media page, you can be able to figure out what they are doing right and what they are doing wrong. So because you have this skill, you can render it to business owners who are looking to leverage social media to attract their customers. Tell them what they are doing right, tell them what they're not doing right, and you will get paid for it. I'm not just saying it per se. A lot of people are making good amount of money from it. All you have to do is to get the right skill, and then you'll be making money auditing people's social media pages. So the fifth way for you to make money as a social media manager is selling digital products. Now, you don't have to only sell physical products for you to make money. You can sell digital products and make money online right now without stress. And what is this digital product? Digital products are like you offering what you already know to people. You can sell it through ebooks, you can sell it through courses. Like, you know that every day now there are lots of business owners. It's not everyone that can actually like afford a social media manager for a month. So what most of these business owners are doing now is to like buy all of these courses that have the necessary information of how to like manage their social media pages and all of that. So when they buy it, they will be able to learn and practice and then try to help themselves by themselves. So if you have this knowledge as a social media manager already, you can be able to like sell the services in exchange for money through ebooks, through creating courses, and you're going to see yourself making a good amount of money, and you're not going to regret it. Like once you start selling digital products, there is no going back because it is stress free. You can sell a particular ebook over and over and over again because there are still so many people thirsty for that knowledge that you have just offered. The sixth way to make money as a social media manager you must want to try is to offer consultation services. What do I mean by consultation services? What I mean is that basically as a social media manager, people are going to be consulting you. People want to like hear your opinion. People want you to guide them. People want to talk to you about their business, at what point they are and where they want to go to. So when they pay for your consultation section, you can be able to like talk to them, guide them, advise them, and this is a very huge way for you to make money. Like I think it's one of the easiest way to make money as a social media manager. That does not mean others are not easy, but like basically this is you just sharing knowledge. This is you just talking to someone. But the only thing is that the person has to pay to pick your brain. You get me right? So consultation is basically about someone wanting to pay to pick your brain. So you're going to be like telling them things they need to know, things that will help them, grow their business while leveraging social media. Now you have heard how you can make money as a social media manager, and you are like, where do you get started? Let's say you have not even gotten into social media management and you're confused, you don't know what to do. Yeah, this is a great deal. Now I know I can be able to make money in these 6 ways, but you don't really know how to get started. You have to check out my previous videos. I'm going to be tagging it on this video so you can be able to check them out. You are going to learn so much valuable things from it, and it's going to guide you step by step every bit of your journey. So do well to check it out and leave me a comment after watching those videos. If you made it to the end of this video, like you did really great for yourself, because at the end of this video I know you have now gotten a value of how you can be able to like make money for yourself. Stop sitting around doing something you don't love. You don't have to go back to that job that you know you're already frustrated about. You are going to like start going after your dream life, take actions, and then before you know it, you're going to get there. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe and share this video to anyone you know that this video is going to be very very helpful to, because I guarantee that anyone you share this video to is going to so much freaking appreciate it. Leave me a comment below, and thank you for watching once again. See you.